Hello, this is Arvind Ramachandran. In this video, we're going to walk through our weekly and daily cycle analysis on Texas Instruments. However, prior to looking at Texas Instruments, I want to first focus on the sector, and that is the SMH, and this is a 10-year weekly chart for the SMH. What we're looking at here on the weekly is that this is a breakdown on the intermediate term, where we have broken below this key weekly low here at 237.32. What this says is that we would look for rallies to fail on the intermediate term going out into this next key timing, which is due out into the August time period. If we shift over to the daily chart, however, you will note that we are looking for a short-term low to form and then to get into this rising phase on the short term, and it's likely to see a rally up to this 255 to 262 area. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and look at TXN. So this is the 10-year weekly chart for TXN, and what we see here is that this is acting a little bit better. This has not had a clear breakdown versus that key weekly low at 161.04. We had a test of that low and then a really strong bounce. What this is looking like is really more range trade, looking for this to get back up to, on the intermediate term, this 186 to 193 area on the intermediate term, and then look for this to roll back down going out into this late July to early August time period here. If we shift over to the daily chart, you'll see what we're looking at. Now, what I want to highlight is this price action post earnings. So we had earnings after hours here on 4/26, and you can see what happened. Big buying came in post earnings. That very likely marks a short-term bottom here in TXN, and we're in this rising phase. Now let's think about this in the context of a rising phase on the short term in the sector as well. So we have a core sector money flow that is moving up, and we have a individual stock money flow that's also moving up. So all of this is really working in tandem. What are we looking for on the upside? It's reasonable to get up to this short-term 78.6 fib at 185. There is a 61.8 here at 179. If we were to get a minor dip, these zones are rising, but they come in from 170.70 to 167 or so. That's where we would look for a flag to form and for that to hold and then work its way back to the upside. We have been highlighting the semis in our ASLM Discord channel, which is available for level 2 members and up. Definitely check that out if you are a member. If you're not, definitely sign up. I think it's been a big value add for members, and they've found it really helpful to aid in their overall learning process of our methodology. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments section below. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. That does help us as well. If you are interested in learning more about our trials, please write to team@aslim.com. And as always, if you'd like to learn more about what we do, please head over to aslim.com. Thanks again, and have a great day.